How could they feed these worms?
They're probably down towards the body.
I found one. Ew. Turtle baby. What the? Turtle baby.
Keep digging through, Blake. Blake, keep digging.
It's a box turtle baby.
Blake,
Here, I'll hold it.
Blake,
Keep digging.
keep digging. Keep
Okay.
digging.
It's not worms. It's
I know.
Blake, keep digging.
is it a box turtle?
Yeah,
keep
three-toed
digging.
like Freddy. Keep digging in there.
It's related to Freddy. Why did you buy it?
For your birthday.
How can we feed him?
That's what we bought the crickets for.
Oh. Are crickets hunters?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, they did put crickets in this thing. Oh, those are so cute.
Spin it to the other side. There.
Spin it to the other side.
There's still something else in there, but
There's worm.
spin it around.
Hallie,
Just spin it.
Freddy's a father now.
They were Freddy's babies, Blake.
They are?
Yeah, he
Yeah.
was actually a
Yeah,
girl.
babies.
No, they're
No.
gonna be his little sisters.
Can I hold that one?
Wait, did Stella deliver these babies?
No.
What is that? Oh, it's a leaf. Is that the only baby turtle in there?
Uh-uh.
What? Mom, where's her baby?
What the?
Where's the baby? Oh,
Hallie's got it. There's another one in
I
there.
thought he was starting to cry.
Hallie,
They're so cute.
Hallie, don't you
There's
like
another
baby
one in there.
Yeah.
There's another baby turtle. But Mom, I want to make sure if there is like another one.
There is.
How could
Could I grab it?
those baby turtles survive? Mom, these baby turtles were so cute. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Have a plate.
Well, here. The other one's in there.
There's a Mom. I want to make sure if there's another one. Oh, these things are so cute.
Let me get it close up. Like, turn it around.
They're so cute.
They're supposed to be girls, both of them, but we won't know for sure for a while.
Well, you can tell it when they're like as old as Stella.
Right.
Because you, oh. I want to make sure if there's more. Now, I can't
There's
see
not
the other
more.
one. Well, Mom, I just want to make sure. Is that okay? Oh, these things are so cute. Mom, Mom gave me.
And Dad and everybody for your birthday.
Mom, I want to take a picture of the turtle, but it's not letting me take pictures.
Can I see Mom, I want to make sure.
Okay, turn it around and show it to me so I can take a picture.